So Google just released something incredible, and that's their new Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation model. To try this out, all you have to do is to go to aistudio.google.com, select create prompt, and then select the model from this list. Now, this model is incredible at generating images. It's also incredible at generating text inside of images, which a lot of AI models struggle with. And finally, the feature that's been getting a lot of buzz has been the image editing feature. You can edit images with text. So let's try that feature, and I'll show you 3 examples of me using that feature. But first, let's start with the out-of-the-box prompt. Add some chocolate drizzle to the croissants. So we've given the model an image of croissants, and we've asked it to add some chocolate drizzles on it. The model took the image and added the chocolate drizzles, and it's added to 3 croissants. I would have wanted a bit more, but it did a pretty good job. The image is consistent, it looks real, it looks natural. So let's now try a few other things. I have some random images from the web. I'll just copy this one, and then back here, I'll say make a portrait of this lady. Now notice something. The image of the lady is cut off. We can only see from her nose or her glasses down. So let's see how the model extrapolates and uses this image to generate a full portrait of the lady. All right, so this is the original image. We don't see her eyes, we don't see her head. All we see are her glasses all the way down to her torso. And the model has taken that and extrapolated that this is what the lady could look like, right? And I think it's pretty spot on. The glasses are the same, the hair is the same, the sweater is the same. It even sees that there are freckles in the original image and maintains the freckles. Okay, pretty incredible. Now let's try another image, another random image from the web. This is a guy running with some Adidas shoes, and we'll say change the shoes to Nike shoes. Now this is the editing with text feature. So you can give it an image, and with text, you can make changes to that image. So let's see what the model does. Once again, it's done a pretty good job. The original image is this, and you can see it's Adidas shoes, and the final image is replaced with Nike shoes. It looks pretty consistent. The rest of the image is relatively the same. So I think it did a pretty good job as well here. And then finally, another random image from the web. This is a Coca-Cola image of a lady drinking Coca-Cola, and I'm going to say change the can to a Pepsi can. And let's see what the model does. All right, this is pretty cool. So look at the original image, look at the generated image. Everything here is pretty much the same. Everything is pretty consistent except for the Pepsi can. Now the Pepsi can is not perfect, but overall I think it's done a pretty good job. And remember, this is the worst it will ever be, so it's going to get better. But let's scroll up again and I'll show you the things we did. So first we had the croissants. We asked it to add chocolate drizzle. It did that successfully. We gave it an image, a half image of a lady, and told it to create a portrait. So without knowing how the lady looks like, it extrapolated and created this portrait. The glasses are the same. The smile is the same. The sweater is the same. We asked it to then take this picture of a runner with Adidas shoes and change it to Nike shoes. Once again, perfect. And then finally to take this can of Coke and make it to Pepsi can. All right, that's it for this video. You can see how incredible this is. Image generation models are becoming better and better day by day. It's very exciting to see what we can build with this. All right, that's it. Peace.